Investing in real estate is the most common transaction, and we do it all the time. So you're going to select the property that you want. What is going to fit your desires? What's going to be what you want? Do you want a property that has higher cash flow? Well, that's fine. That's excellent. Do you want a property that has higher appreciation potential? That's fine. Do you want a property that's got a combination of both? Those are the things that you're going to help think through yourself. Once you've found the house, I found the house at 123 Green Street, you surely call us up, and you have an account, if we're assuming, and say, this is the property I want to buy, this is how much I want to pay, and one of our IRA professionals will say, okay, here's the couple of things we need, and they'll walk you through a short little list of what you need to send us. For example, a purchase agreement would be an example where you say, I'm buying this house for this much, and the seller says, I'm selling the house for this much. We just want to make sure that everybody is clear. Another thing that we're going to ask is, where's the closing? Generally, the closing is going to be at a title company. The reason we want to know where the closing is we want to call ahead to that title company and make sure they know you're not buying the house. Your IRA is buying the house, and so we can give them the proper titling, because that's what title companies want, is the proper titling.